Hi guys, what are you guys gonna make today?
PlayDough! PlayDough!
What kind of Play-Doh?
Pumpkin spice!
Oh, pumpkin spice. And what colors?
Orange, yellow, and red.
Make orange. And what other color are we gonna make for Halloween?
Black.
Okay, so let's get ready. We're gonna show everybody how to make orange and black pumpkin essential oil Play-Doh. Let's get started. Flour. There you go, Melon. So about a half cup of whole wheat flour, and then a 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Put it in, baby. Please don't spill. Here you go, show your tray.
Please. Put the fine.
And then here's your wheat flour.
Down.
Good job, babes. All right. All right, now we're gonna put, what is this, Melon? Cornstarch. Put it in.
Don't touch.
Cornstarch. What is this, Shale?
Cornstarch.
Hey, Melon, careful. Cornstarch. Put it in. There you go. Pretty. What was that? Cream of tartar. Can you say that?
Baby bear.
There's the oil. It's 1 tablespoon of oil.
Baby.
Go on, Shell. Squirt a few in there. Okay, and then maybe a few of the other one. Wow, good job. You want to mix it together and see if that's a nice mix?
Mama, can I put some
sweetheart.
Ooh, rainbow!
It's a little orangey, right? Of course. You may not need much, Molly. Just take the actual container and put a little bit in there. A little bit. Oh, that's good. That's good. That's good. Mix. Kind of looks green, doesn't it?
Kind of green.
Huh. Is that green or black?
Whoa!
It looks good though, huh?
It looks like a movie.
You like it?
Yeah.
All right, mix. What's this you're putting now?
Pumpkin spice. Next you go, Daddy.
Go on, shake it. There you go. I see it going in.
I told him to forget about the ring and speak to her about just getting it back. I'm gonna get the ring later.
That's good. That's good. Go on, that's good. Put it in. Shake it. There you go. Yeah?